So how can you be sad in Ghana? How can you be sad in Ghana? Huh? If you're in Ghana here and you have any excuse to be sad, then you're not serious, because every day there's something happening that can make you laugh. So why are you even sad? This guy, I don't even know whether I should call him Brown Sheriff or Black Shuffle. I don't know. Please decide. Comment below right now. Let me know. Is this guy Brown Sheriff or his name should be Black Shuffle? Let me know in the comment section. And we found a Black Sheriff, a look-alike, and also Shatawale's look-alike. At this point, I have opened a playlist on my channel, Ghana Celebrities Look-alike playlist. Yes, it's on my channel because we saw Kwame Eugene's look-alike. His name is Kwame Engine. We saw Kiddy's look-alike. His name is Kudi. We saw a Kim Promise look-alike, Kim Problems. We've seen a Yao Tog look-alike, Nekana. Some of you said we should call him Yao Frog. There are so many videos you can watch on this channel. Yes, this one is for Kwame Engine and this one is for Kudi. The links are in the description and you can go and check out the playlist. Today, we found a Black Sheriff look-alike and Shatawale look-alike. We are still looking for Patapin. I'm the headless YouTuber, this headless reaction. Salatari Yanka! I don't know if it's a party, if it's a wedding, I don't know. But this guy is performing Black Sheriff's song. And people are actually out with their phones, taking pictures as if it's actually Black Sheriff who is performing. Nagana for Sanamote. Hey! Just say, everyone can be a star so easily. Everyone can be a celebrity. Everyone can be the center of attention so easily in Ghana. All you have to do is do something interesting. This guy who looks like a darker version of Black Sheriff. I mean, Black Sheriff is already black. But this guy, he's blacker than Black Sheriff. So please, which color is darker than the color black? Let me know in the comment section so that we'll give it to him. Because, you see, I know, naming him Brown Sheriff is even bad. Because this guy is the original Black Sheriff. Hey! So, this guy was performing Black Sheriff's song. And people were gathered around him taking videos. I'm sure it'll be the video somebody is going to use this video to flex his friends. Hey baby, I'm calling a Black Sheriff by Black Sheriff. I even took a video with Black Sheriff. People will do all these things. Alright, watch this video. Please, what is the name? Is it Brown Sheriff or is Black Shuffle? Because this guy, I don't think Brown Sheriff is enough. Because he's blacker. So this guy was performing Black Sheriff songs. And now, if you don't have money to book Black Sheriff, maybe Black Sheriff is too expensive. Because right now, he's the center of attraction. You know, he has a song with Burna Boy now. His billboards are all over Nigeria. He is the most streamed artist in Ghana right now, according to Boomplay in Yamanyomibino. So yes, Black Sheriff. He is the man of the moment. So if you know you can't afford him, this guy is there. You can go for him. And if you are doing a Christmas party, you want to surprise somebody, just carry this guy, but make sure he doesn't talk, because as soon as he speaks, the kind of song he's singing, his voice is different. So just make sure he doesn't talk. This is the Mumu Black Sheriff. You can tell that your people say, we are Mumu Black Sheriff. This guy doesn't talk. Or the booking fee that you book Black Sheriff, if he talks, the booking is high, so he just here to show his face, and that's why you are able to bring him. You can say that a whole lot of lies you can tell, but you can bring this guy instead of the original Black Sheriff if you don't have money. Moving on, Shatawale look alike, they're Omodoso, but this guy really looks like Shatawale, and the funny part is his attitude also is like Shatawale, because he said something in the video that was highly unnecessary. But because he said it, it means he is very much like Shatawale. Watch this video.
Somebody help me. I know say they look like Shatawale. But you put a telephone and I say Shatawale my twin brother. But you put a telephone, you put a believe, or because I know what I'm here. If I like, I will go down my head today people. If they supposed to say, it's my twin brother. Because some people.
No, actually, was that necessary? Was that necessary? Wait, you've made your point. Okay, you look like Shatta Wale. You should have dyed your hair then. Was that last part necessary? That is so Shatta Wale. That is so Shatta Wale. So this guy is also saying he is Shatta Wale's twin brother. And I think his name is Shatta Wale. Aye. We should call him Shatta Wale. Aye. So right now we are forming a group to come and do a major concert. A major concert. You call a concert or a kind of like village be. You call some village, maybe some very remote place, and we'll do Night with the Stars. And we'll bring Kwame Engine, we'll bring a Kudi, King Problems, a Black Chef, Brown Sheriff, Shatta Wale. We'll bring all of them together. We'll teach them how to perform. They'll all try to learn how their various stars perform. No? Kwame Engine, he has it on lock because the way he has been doing it. Kwame Engine is good. Kwame Engine is good. The rest of them, no, we have to make sure that it's not only the looks, but they can also do the job. Because we are going to scam some village. We are going to scam them. And when we go, all these artists will perform and we'll tell them that these are the original artists. But the people they have been seeing on TV, it is because TV is different. If you see them on TV, they look different. But this is how they actually look in person. And we have to sell it. We have to sell it. And that is how we'll do this. And we can tour the whole of the rural areas in Ghana with these people. And we'll perform. So if you know you're a show promoter, if you know you can put money in this, I can help you. We can locate all these people, we can bring them together, and we can make money. And I'm a boy. So yes, go and check out the playlist. We have all the lookalikes. If you have any other lookalike, let me know. Hey, I forgot to mention, Yao Frog is also. Yao Tom's lookalike, Yao Frog is also in there. So the show will be great. It will be a mega show. Go and check out the playlist. All the lookalikes are in there. And watch other videos on this channel. And yes, check out the playlist. I'm the Headless YouTuber. Yapong.